I am a domino, though not a very good one. I try to stand, but I just land on my face, a disgrace. You see, my base isn't flat, but rounded. That fact, that I'm grounded, means that I'm not free, leads me to believe that gravity has me, that there's no hope for me. When we're all in a line, it's easy to find that we all think we're fine, but when I fall, we all fall. If we cry for help, and you try to step in the way, you'll be laid like pavement, making way for the world which wobbles, weeps, topples, and sleeps. As a domino, I have no arms. My alarms alert my heart when I start to fall. A sense of dread falls over me, I tense, feel dead, and although I've often felt this fear, I cannot keep my mind clear. And though I see my failure near, my lack of arms lets darkness hear. I land face down, and my crown has shattered, battered by the earth. Missing my arms, kissing what harms me, I can't set myself right. My plight is common. Common man suffers the same shame of falling and mauling oneself. And there are also those dominoes who don't know the goal is to go upright, and they think they're all right to sink in the ground, not knowing their frowns could be turning around if only they'd found the beauty around them in a space beyond the surface their face is on. But I know this beauty. Our world hasn't fooled me into thinking that crying and drinking and dying is everything that everything is, for when I fall, a fingered figure flies from far above, like a dove, lifts me from the face of the earth, fixes my feet and flattens my base so I can stand and face the oncoming race. The hand knows I'll try to stand as it goes, but that I'll roll over again. But because it's a friend, it stays for days. Now, I stand upright on land to the hand's plan. I can be a good domino.